Hey everyone, it's Sean from Emassagechair. Today I'm giving you my hands-on review of the Osaki OS-Pro 4D DuoMax. It's one of the most advanced and complete massage chairs we've ever tested. If you've been shopping for a premium chair with real therapeutic results, this one should be on your radar. Right out of the box, the build quality impressed me. The DuoMax came in 3 well-protected boxes and the setup took about 40 minutes. Everything about it feels solid. The stitching, the frame, even the way the ottoman glides. This is a serious high quality chair that feels like it's built to last. When you sit down, it gives off that same sense of quality you get from a luxury car, stable, heavy, and refined. I'm 6'1", my wife's 5'2", and both of us fit comfortably. The electric ottoman automatically adjusts your leg length, and I really like the removable back padding. You leave it in for a softer massage, or you remove it if you really want those rollers to dig in. The biggest standout feature for me is the dual mechanism massage roller system. Unlike most chairs that use one set of rollers for the whole body, the DuoMax uses two, a 4D system for your upper body and a 3D system for your lower. That means while one set is working on your shoulders and neck, the other is massaging your glutes and leg at the same time. It literally feels like two professional therapists working in sync. The roller motion is smooth and natural, never pokey, and the intensity stays consistent even as the technique changes. You can really feel it, especially across the shoulders and the glutes. It's one of the most balanced, human-like massage chairs I've tested. Now let's talk about what really makes this chair special, the flex track. Most massage chairs are built on a fixed L track that doesn't move as you recline. The DuoMax's flex track actually flexes, which allows for a much better stretch and even a true zero gravity recline. When you start the Thai stretch program, it's amazing. The way the flex track and airbags work together to give you a full assisted stretch, decompressing your spine and opening up your posture. It's one of the deepest and most effective stretches I've ever experienced. The DuoMax has 20 automatic programs and they each feel distinct, not just slightly tweaked versions of each other. Here are the ones I keep coming back to. The Thai stretch is my personal favorite, deep, slow, and powerful. The neck and shoulder program is perfect after long work days. The waist program is great for hip and lower back relief, while the gentle relaxation is my go-to before bed. Another unique feature is that you can choose between gentle, soothing, or strong before the program starts. And strong means really strong. It delivers a true deep tissue massage. The air compression on the DuoMax is balanced and feels intentional. It applies a smooth and rhythmic compression to your shoulders, arms, hips, calves, and your feet. The calf kneading actually works the muscles and doesn't just squeeze. The rollers behind the calves work really well, and combined with the foot rollers, it feels like a true reflexology massage. The tablet-style remote is straightforward, but it takes a few minutes to get used to the menu. The intelligent health detection measures your fatigue, heart rate, and your blood oxygen level. From there, it creates a custom program based on how your body is feeling at that time, and honestly, it works really well. The voice control, it's just okay, but you really don't need it. Between the touchscreen, memory profiles, and built-in Bluetooth speakers, the tech feels smart but not overly complicated. There are a lot of other great features too, like the heat therapy. You get a soothing lumbar heat, plus a heated shawl you can drape across your chest for extra warmth. The zero gravity recline takes the pressure off your spine and joints by balancing your weight across your body. There's also a negative air ionizer built in. It's a nice touch, but it's not something I really used. After a week with the DuoMax, the difference was obvious. That tight knot in my neck, gone. My lower back felt looser, and the stiffness I usually have just melted away. Each massage left me feeling recharged, like I hit a reset on my mind and my body. And that's what a true premium massage chair should do. So is the Osaki OS-Pro 4D DuoMax worth it? Absolutely. Between the dual massage rollers, the flex track, deep stretch programs, and premium build, it's one of the most complete and effective chairs I've tested. It's not cheap, but if you're looking for long-term performance and true relief, this is a chair that delivers on every promise. Thank you for watching my hands-on review of the Osaki DuoMax. If you want more expert comparisons and reviews like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one, and happy relaxing.